In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a Canva file into Photoshop, step by step, using 3 different methods depending on your needs. Whether you want the best quality, a quick export, or editable layers, I've got you covered. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. Let's start with the best method for quality, which is exporting your Canva design as a PDF print file. First, open your design in Canva. Once your design is ready, go to the top right and click on Share, then click Download. In the File Type dropdown, choose PDF Print. This option gives you the highest quality output and keeps your design crisp when moving into Photoshop. After selecting PDF Print, click Download and save the file to your computer. Now, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, then Open, and select the PDF you just downloaded. Photoshop will prompt you with import settings where you can choose resolution and pages. Make sure to set a high resolution like 300 dpi for the best results. Once you open it, your Canva design will appear inside Photoshop, ready for editing. This method is the best overall if you want quality and flexibility while working in Photoshop. Next, let's look at the simple method. This is perfect if you just want to quickly move your design into Photoshop without worrying too much about layers. Again, go to Canva, click Share, then Download. This time, choose either PNG or JPG. PNG is better for higher quality and transparency, while JPG gives you a smaller file size. Download the file, then open Photoshop, go to File, Open, and select your image. Your design will open instantly, but keep in mind, this method flattens everything into a single layer. Now, if you want more editing flexibility, there's a third method using SVG files, which is available in Canva Pro. In Canva, go to Share, then Download, and choose SVG as your file type. Download the file, then open it in Photoshop. Depending on your design, Photoshop may preserve some vector information, giving you more control compared to a flat image. However, results can vary, so this method works best for simpler designs. So, which method should you use? If you want the best editing experience and highest quality, go with PDF Print. If you need something quick and easy, use PNG or JPG. And if you want partial editability, try SVG. And that's it. You now know how to convert Canva files into Photoshop using 3 simple methods. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.